U.S. Open. Find out next on ESPN 1000. A truly remarkable thing happened on Wall Street today. Almost nothing. There was very little news, very little volatility, and precious little drama, except in precious metals, where gold hit a new all-time high once again. It was, however, the fourth day of gains for the Dow in a row, taking on about 16 points and about 10,450. The S&P and NASDAQ also edged higher again. For the week, the Dow gained just about 2.5%, one of its best weeks in recent memory. Oil prices moved up as well, just about $77 a barrel. Now, Wall Street has few economic numbers to watch next week, but we'll watch Washington to see what's in the final draft of the financial reform bill that could hit the president's desk by July 4th. And CNBC is reporting that Tiger Woods may have suffered between $20 and $30 million in lost endorsement money. ING, which manages Woods, says itself has lost about $4.6 million in endorsement revenue from Woods, about 5% of its total operating profit, since that news spread of Woods' marital issues last Thanksgiving. That's today's market report on ESPN 1000. I'm Ron Inside. ESPN 1000 Sports. 3:40 on Dave Juday. This update brought to you by Bona Restaurant. See their menu at Bona.com. It's getting out of hand at Wrigley this afternoon. One more live look in with ESPN 1000. First Levine. All right, Dave, we're putting in the bottom of the 7-2 Angels here on the defense. Has been shoddy again for the club today. Starter Carlos Silva goes 7 innings rather, allowing 3 runs and 20 and 400 home run. And it's
Look at that, dude. That's funny. Nasty.
Will be introduced as the Bulls' new head coach at a press conference next Wednesday. Sports Center brought to you by Jiffy Lube. Did you know that an oil change in tire rotation prolongs the life of your vehicle and even saves you gas?
That is fucking crazy looking.